Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know things are a little bit crazy right now and some of us have some extra free time. So I thought what better time to try a new chocolate chip cookie recipe than right now. I know this is different from my normal sugar cookie videos, but I've been wanting to share this recipe for a while and I thought now was the perfect time. To start off, add 1 cup butter, 1 cup white sugar, and half a cup of dark brown sugar to the mixer and mix on medium until well blended. I always use cold butter straight from the refrigerator, so it will take a few minutes to come together. Next, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 2 eggs and mix until blended. Add 2½ cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon baking soda in a separate bowl and whisk until blended. I always get this ready while my butter and sugar is mixing so it's ready to go. Add half the flour mixture to the mixer and mix on low until combined. Then add the rest of the flour and mix until everything is incorporated. I'll usually scrape the bowl down near the end to make sure I have everything mixed together really well. Next, add 2 cups chocolate chips and mix on low until they're mixed in really well. Drop mounded tablespoonfuls onto an ungreased cookie sheet and bake at 375 degrees until the edges are just starting to brown. The amount of time will vary based on your oven and how big you like your cookies. I make my cookies pretty big, about 3½ ounces each, and in my oven they're done in around 14 to 15 minutes. I also use an air-baked cookie sheet, which may affect the bake time slightly. I like them to be a bit browned around the edges and just barely undercooked in the middle when I pull them from the oven. They'll continue baking for a bit on the cookie sheet as they cool, and this results in the softest, chewiest cookie ever. This is the recipe I get asked for more than anything else I make, and I hope you all enjoy them as much as our family does. The full recipe is in the description box, and hopefully you have everything on hand to give these a try. If you do, please let me know what you think. Leave me a comment here or tag me in your posts on Instagram and I would love to check it out. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you're not already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.